Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Hope everyone is fine. This is Sanur Rahman. This lecture is for grade 6. I hope you'll find this lecture productive and informative. The lecture is in a very simple words. Kindly pay close attention. Okay, now open grammar skill book and come to page number 1. Okay, students, this is page number 1. And today's topic is articles and nouns. So today we will be talking about articles and nouns. I hope in the previous classes you have learned some about articles and nouns. So here you go with the complete information about articles. Grammar skill book, grade 6, unit 1, topic articles and nouns. So first of all, we have to know about articles, that what is article and where can we use article. So the first thing is that we have to learn the definition of an article. An article is a part of speech that indicates, specifies and limits a noun. So this was the first definition. Let us look at second definition. In articles are used to show whether we refer to things that are known or unknown. What does it mean? It means we use articles before a noun to show that the noun is known or unknown, that we know about that noun or we don't know about that noun. So we use article for that purpose. Now, come to article. We have two types of articles. In English language, we have two types of article. The first one is definite article da, while the second one is indefinite article a or an. So they both have different uses. Let us learn about definite article. That what is definite article? Definite article is an article which introduces a noun and specify it as particular. What does it mean? What is definite article? Definite article is that article which we use before a noun that is known, that we know about that noun already. So we use definite article before that noun. The only definite article is da. We use the definite article before a specific noun. I mean, noun can be a person, noun can be a place, or noun can be a thing. We will use definite article before that person whom I know about whom we know already, and we will use a definite article da before a place about which we know already, and we will use definite article before a thing that we know something about that thing already. So here we have three examples. Before the examples, let me give you some information about definite article. We use definite article before singular count noun, and we use definite article before plural count noun, and we can also use definite article da before non-count nouns. When our noun is singular, we can use definite article before that. It's okay. When a noun is plural, we can use definite article before that. When a noun is non-countable, mean that noun which we cannot count, we can use definite article before that. The first example is the rose is blue. So if you see the rose is singular, but we can count 1 rose, 2 roses, 3 roses. We can count rose because it is countable noun. Though it is singular, we can use the before the countable nouns, whether it is singular or plural. The second example is the roses are blue. If you see, we have plural noun roses, so it is followed by plural verb are. And the roses already specified. We know about the roses because the roses are blue, so they are known. Since they are known, we used definite article the before roses. The third example is the coffee is hot. So if you think about the coffee, coffee is a non-countable noun. We cannot count now coffee. If you say that one coffee, two coffee, so that is wrong. We cannot count coffee. So it is non-countable noun, though we can use definite article the before countable, non-countable noun. So we have the second part of article, that is indefinite article. Indefinite means which is not known. So let us learn about indefinite article. A word or words that are used before a singular noun to show that the noun refers to any member of the group or class. That is called indefinite article. What does it mean? It means we will use indefinite articles before those nouns which are not known, which are not specified, which are not particular. They can be related to any group, to any class, to okay. We have two types of indefinite articles. The first one is a, while the second one is an. They both have different uses. Let us learn about the uses of indefinite article a and an. The first one is a, the use of a. Where can we use a? So let us learn. We use indefinite article a before a singular noun. Make sure you will use indefinite article a before singular noun. Do not use it before plural nouns, which starts with consonant sounds. It means we will use indefinite article a before that noun which starts with consonant sounds. You already know about consonant sounds and vowel sounds. Like for example, if you see, we have a word book, B-O-O-K, book, a book. It means a kitab. So book starts with consonant sounds. That's why we specify it with indefinite article a book. A car. Car starts with C. C produces consonant sounds, so that's why we put a before car. A door. Door starts with consonant sounds. D. D produces consonant sounds, so that's why we put a. Okay. Here I have written another example for you. A universe. Don't think that we will use a or n with letters, with consonant letters or vowel letters. No, we will use a or n before consonant sounds and vowel sounds. Like for example, here we have an example, a universe. If you think that a is used before a word or a noun that starts with vowel letter, that is wrong. No, it is used before a word or a noun that starts with consonant sound. Like for example, here we have vowel letter U, but it produces consonant sounds. That's why I put a before universe. Okay, now come to the use of an. We use indefinite article an before a singular noun that starts with vowel sounds. And after that, there is a small note. I already told you about that. It is the sound, not the letter, which determines whether to use a or n. It means you will look at the word, whether that starts with whether that produces consonant sounds or vowel sounds. If a word starts with consonant sound, so try to put indefinite article a before that. When you think that, when you see that a noun produces vowel sound, you have to put an before that. Okay, for example, we have a word here, apple. Apple starts with vowel sounds, that's why I put an apple. An apple. Okay, and architect. So architect starts with vowel sounds. But here I have another example. Our. Our starts with H. H is a consonant later, but it produces vowel sound. That's why I put NR. Okay, so this was the first lecture about article. We will talk about the nouns in the second lecture. Thank you.